Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a set of flashcards you can use to study from based on your sources in NotebookLM. So I've got this notebook set up, and suppose it's something that I'm going to be tested on, or I really need to improve my understanding of something. One of the ways I can do that is to create a set of flashcards based on either all the sources or just a selection of the sources. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my studio column on the right, find that little pencil, click on it to edit. All right, I do have some customization here. I can choose the number of cards, or at least a generic number of cards. I can choose fewer cards, so maybe there won't be that many. I can have a lot of cards. Maybe there's a lot of different concepts in here. I want to be able to understand each of them, so maybe I have more, or I can just use the default. The difficulty level, I can make them relatively easy, medium, or hard. And then, like with a lot of these studio artifacts that you can create, you have this sort of prompt that you can use to enter criteria that you want NotebookLM to focus on as it makes these flashcards. Keep things simple. Do not ask about specific authors or philosophers. And I'll just generate few, easy, just to get it done quicker. And then this could take a while, could take a few minutes. So what I'll probably do is pause the video here, and then when it's done, I'll restart, and that'll be a new scene. So now that the flashcards are complete, I'm just going to click on this to open them based on 7 sources. All right, so when you see the dark side here, that's the question or what you're trying to answer. If you want to see the answer, just click on the card and it will flip it over. Notice this is card 1 out of 50. So what was the primary goal of the common school movement in the early 1800s US, according to some historians? To strengthen the young country's democratic institutions and instill a shared national identity. So this is a really good way to come up with flashcards for a quick review. Again, you can post your notebooks on Google Classroom. So if you're a teacher and you're looking to give this resource to students, you can do that pretty easily. You can also ask it for an explanation of the flashcard. That will send it to the chat. And so basically what this is going to do is this is going to come up with an AI generated explanation based on the sources of why it gave this answer as the answer to that question. And then if you want to cycle through the different flashcards, you can just use the arrows so you can find whichever one you want. Let's say, you have to review flashcard 13. You can get to it and pay attention down here to see which one you are on. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.